YouTube channel again. So guys, in this video we will see how to uninstall Windhawk from Windows 11 completely and also remove all the files and board. So guys, if you want to remove everything of your Windhawk, so guys, first of all you simply go for settings and disable developer mode and check for the update. Okay, now you simply go to your control panel, hit enter, then guys uninstall a program. After that, find your Windhawk. Just right click on it, click the option of uninstall. When you install, so guys, mark remove the program settings. Guys, please also remove this. So click the option of uninstall and your uninstall processes begin. It will take few seconds to uninstall and you just enjoy. And guys, this is the way that you can do. And guys, thank you and have a nice day. And guys, subscribe our YouTube channel for the further information. I hope this video is very helpful for you.